Pike, one of the assistant principals here at East Hardin Middle School. Currently, the students that participated in 6th grade fun day, now their parents have joined them for open house, so they're going through some rotations, getting acquainted with the building, getting to talk to the transportation department, meet their teachers, and listen to some directions from Miss Nickel. So they've had a real enjoyable day, and hopefully it'll knock off some of the apprehension they have for the first day of school.
So tonight I'm going to review that, because even at some point if you decide, hey, I'm just going to go pick up my child this afternoon, it's not that easy at East Hardin. On any day we have about 200 car riders. So it's not just you know what, I've never been through East Hardin, but today's the day. Number one, you have to have a car tag. If you don't have a car tag, then this year we are going to start pulling people over and checking IDs. So get the car tag. Highly recommend the car tag. I do have information up here. If you haven't gotten it, I've got a QR code, the link. You can go on our website and go under the parent tab and click on that link to register. But here we have a map, and I know a lot of you can't see it, but so this is what I consistently hear all school year, is that people don't enter the right way. So across from John Deere is the entrance to East Hardin if you are coming off the bypass. If there's one thing I hear on a daily basis is people complain to me outside, people don't know how to enter the parking lot, so I'm telling you. If you're coming from the bypass, that beautiful roundabout that they just put in, you're going to enter. There is not a great marker. Just know that it's across from John Deere. If you are coming from Southern Hardin, consistent entry. All right? So when you come, you're going to get in one of two lanes, drive all the way through, and you need to have your car tag out, because we walk up through the line and we call straight off of that. And so we ask people to have the car tags and enter the right way, because I promise you, if we do this, we go faster, which means you get out of here faster. So when we have about 200 pickups or more a day, we can get you out. Our time limit would like to be about 18 minutes. But it could take 20, 25, 30 if people don't know what they're doing, because it kind of stalls the line. So put your car tag on. When you come through, we'll walk out with walkies, we'll call your children, and we only load from the flagpole to the end of the sidewalk. So when you go outside and you see that open area, flagpole to the end of the sidewalk, so it's about 12 to 14 cars. Our whole process is load, row. So we'll call your kid. If they don't come out and get in, we just ask that you pull to these little parking spots, keep your car tag, and when the cars stall as we're loading, we'll look off and we'll call those names. I promise we can make this quick as long as you all follow through. And really talk to your kids, because I have a lot of parents that get upset, like they get here at 1:45 when we don't release till 3:10, so they sit out there an hour and a half. And they want to be the first one out of the parking lot, and then they don't understand why their child's not out there. So talk to your child. Where are they coming from? And where do they need to go? Like if they're all the way in the 6th grade hallway, but they have to go retrieve a band instrument and then get to the gym, they may not be able to be in the gym when you think they should be there. So find out what the timing is, but also talk to them about the importance, because they are middle schoolers. They are social human beings. Some of them stay out in the hallway and chit-chat and disappear, and we have to go find them. Or they stop and talk to a teacher, because they thought you're typically the last one in the line and today you were first. So it helps, the communication helps, just if your children know what the expectation is.